New live streaming app alert. In this video today, I'm going to introduce to you a live streaming platform that you can use to live stream and earn money. And this particular platform, you don't have to put your face to do your live stream. You can simply open your panel and still do your streaming and earn money. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. And then I want to say thank you to everyone that dropped comments in my previous video where I asked if you will be interested in another platform. So I don't take your comment and engagement for granted. And again, I want to also please ask, because like this my sister and some few persons also asked, we're like, if I'm introducing a platform, why not I should wait and earn and withdraw before I bring it up here. So that is why this particular platform, I have to withdraw first before I talk about it. But another thing you should also note is that most of these streaming platform, they have a way of rewarding early adapters. Like lollipop, now I discovered that those that are joining later on, now they are not getting that welcoming bonus the way we the early adapters did. So if you are interested in me introducing to you the moment I find out about it and I see that it's good, let me know in the comment section. But if you are a doubting Thomas that you prefer I should first of all earn and withdraw before I let you know, let me know in the comment section. So without wasting much of your time, this particular platform is called BoloUp. But I know some of you must have known about the app before now, but even myself, when I joined newly 3 months ago, that was when this app was introduced to me. But when I entered, I couldn't do my tax. I didn't understand how it works, so I refused to do anything. I forget about it. 3 months later, when I see people withdrawing from that app and all that, I had to go back, know about it, and I've been enjoying it. So for people that are showing this type of comment, that is one thing that make me to get keep, and I hold on until I withdraw. That's why I want to introduce to you in this video how the BoloUp work, how you can sign up, how you do your authentication, what you need to do before you'll be able to see your tax, how you can earn more money, and all that. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the practical aspect of this video. So in the description and in the comment section of this video, I'm going to drop a link where it will take you to where you download the app. The app is working for both Android and iPhone. So you can actually sign up with either your email, your Apple, or your phone number, or even Telegram. So right here, I select on phone number, then you select your country code. So I am selecting Nigeria. So once that is done, you input your phone number and you click on next. So you will receive an OTP. It could be a phone call, they will call you, then you now get your 4-digit OTP and put them right here. So once you have done that, the next thing is you are going to select your gender, either you are male or female, and click on OK. So if you do this successfully, you are going to get a dashboard like this. You click on the pen icon at the top right, and then you edit and then select your picture, your profile picture. Ensure you allow the phone access to your gallery, and then you select a profile picture for yourself. So once you have do that, you wait a bit, it will upload. Then the next thing again, you are going to add a background picture. So for you to add a background picture, you can actually add up to 4 background picture, but I only added 1. So you select from your gallery again, and then you click on done. So right here, it will just take a while and it will upload, so that you have your own profile picture. Then the next thing you are going to do is to add your birthday, your date of birth. You select your date of birth. You are going to also add your about me, your country. Here it will still give you opportunity in case you select the wrong gender, you check and select your gender before you do your authentication. And another thing we should know about this app is that you cannot do your authentication except or see your tax until you join agency. Then you click add your about me. It's important you do that because they are going to give you reward for adding your about me. So you can write briefly about yourself because they want to know who you are. So after you have done that, you are going to click on join host, become a host, and then join an agency. If you did not join an agency, you cannot do authentication. So my agency is this 1955212. If you do not join agency, rather you cannot even do authentication, you cannot see any tax. That is how this app is all about. So you click and then agree to the terms and condition and accept it. Then it will now give you opportunity to do your authentication. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. That is why so many people have heard about the app, but if they enter, they don't know left from right. So for you to become a host, you must join agency. So if you have done that successfully, you are going to start seeing your activities. Okay, you'll see activities. You click on tax. When you click on tax, you will see this tax, you will see reward. So there are little tasks you can do to get reward, that you can complete some basic tasks, like you can follow them on other social media handle, you can join their Telegram to claim reward. You can also join their Facebook, you can join them on X and all that. So if you have done all that, when you click on that tax, you see, and then anyone you have successfully do, you just go and claim your reward. There are so many, and the more you do, the more you are going to get that. So the next thing you also do is to add your nickname. Adding a nickname will also give you a reward. So you add your nickname and click on done, so that you will get reward for adding nickname. So then the next thing you do, you can also go to your tax reward to do your live stream tax. So what you do is, by the time you do all this and do your authentication, you are going to see my tax. So when you click on my tax, you are going to be able to open a room. You click on my room, and then you will be able to open your room, and you are going to be seeing how long you stay in that room. So as a newbie, if you just sign up, you stay up to 2 hours, okay, and you can break in between. Within the next 24 hours, you have to do your tax. It will be showing you by percentage. So if you have stayed for, let me say, 30 minutes, it will show you that you are 30% gone, so and all that. So that's how you do to receive your reward. And again, if you just join in, if you are using an iPhone, you should know that you cannot mute yourself because you did not give the app permission. So you go to your iPhone settings, check for this app. If you are using iPhone, then give the app permission so that you can be able to mute yourself while you are sitting on a party. So you just open party, mute yourself, and drop your phone. That's all. There are other tasks you can do, but this is the basic one, so that you can get your 2 hours reward. And the more you do your tasks, the higher your reward. I'm going to also do a video. I'm compiling a video on different ways you can make money on live streaming platform. Reason why the moment I join, I always start making money. So thank you so much. In my next video, I'm going to show you practically how to become an agent. If you are interested, how to withdraw as well. If you are interested, let me know in the comment section, and in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a link to sign up. And in the comment section, I'm also going to pin a comment. And again, to be honest with you, a lot of people keep asking, how do you make this much amount of money with live streaming platform? So in my next video, I'll also show you different ways to make more money with live streaming platform. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like this video, and make sure you turn on notifications so that when this video is up, you will always get notified. So hope to see you in my next video. Bye.